Okay, this is the second part of the quiz of 1.1 and 1.2, and it's questions 9, 10, and 11, which came out of section 1.2. So if you did well on section 1, you won't have to do that first video. You can just do this video, section 1.2, and I'll let you correct it. Okay, so the first question is, what is the length of M to P, from point M to point P? Well, that was fairly easy. From point M to point P, we get to N right here, which is 5, and then we keep going another 18, and there's point P there, and so we do 5 plus 18 equals 23. Pretty simple. Okay, number 10. It's almost the same, except it says, what is the length of X to Y? We want this distance here, so we can say X, Y, plus, this is a Z here, by the way, Y, Z equals X to Z. I know X to Z, X to Z is 30, so I can write 30 here. I know Y to Z is right here, that's 7, and I just need to figure out X, Y. So what I can do then is then solve the equation to get X, Y by itself. X, Y is like a variable. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. I'm going to get 23, and I'll bring this down because nothing happened to it. These said good night. And I get X, Y is that, and I'll put it in nice, I don't know what you call it, magenta or something. And there's my answer there. So really all you had to do was go 30 is the whole thing minus the piece I know is 7, and I get 23 for the missing piece. That would have been a faster way to do it. Okay, number 11, it says point S is between R and T. So I need to draw R and T on the segment RT. So here's R, there's T, there's my segment, and it says between means basically somewhere on that segment. It's got to be collinear. So I'm going to put, I chose to put it right there as S. I don't know if it's in the middle or not, but I do know it's somewhere on it. Okay? Now here's the given information. I'll write this in red. RS is 2x minus 8, and then ST is 3x minus 10, and RT is 17. And just like the previous two examples, we know this piece plus this piece equals the whole thing. So let's write that down. RS plus ST equals RT. It's called the segment addition. You can add the two pieces to make a bigger piece. And if I put the expressions in, 2x minus 8 plus ST is 3x minus 10 equals RT, which is 17. So now you just combine like terms. These two become 5x, negative 8, negative 10. That becomes negative 18 equals 17. So I add 18, and I get 5x equals 35. I'm running out of space, but when I divide by, so I'm going to divide by 5, and that's going to give me x equals 7. Well, that'd be great if that's all we could stop there, and we got it in terms of x, but it says find RS and ST. So we're going to need to use this and this. So let me clear some space here. I'll write it above. Whoops, it didn't clear. So I've erased those. I'm going to work up here for sum of the answer. So I'm going to do that for RS. RS equals 2 times x, which is 7, minus 8. That's 14 minus 8, which is 6. Yay, we're happy. I'll work the ST over here. There's ST. So RS is right there. ST is right there. And I'm going to write ST equals 3 times x minus 10. And we said x is 7. So that's 3 times 7 is 21 minus 10 is 11. There's ST. And we've answered everything.